Hello everybody, welcome back to coincave's YouTube channel. Today I'll be discussing how to diversify your portfolio, like crypto portfolio. I've seen many YouTubers, content creators who are bragging about diversification. Diversification in different sectors of crypto market makes sense. Like if you tell me to diversify and buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP or BNB or any of the top 10 or 20 coins on the coin market cap, that's not more like good diversification. What I mean by that is, I personally, how I diversify is I look into different categories. There are different categories in cryptocurrencies. Like some of the coins, they focus on cross-border payments, like XRP, XLM. Some of them are meme coins, like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and many other meme coins. There are gaming coins, there are NFT, DeFi. In DeFi alone, there are different categories. First of all, it depends how much are you gonna invest in cryptocurrencies. If someone comes and asks me that he or she is willing to put $100 or $200 in the market, or even $1,000, I wouldn't recommend diversification below 5,000 or 10,000. Diversification makes sense if someone is investing more than 50,000 or 100,000. The reason for that is, like, suppose if I have $1,000 and I put it in 10 coins, 1,000 each. So overall portfolio is 10,000. If one of that coin makes 100% move, makes it 2,000, and overall portfolio is now 11,000. That coin has made 100% move, and it didn't move your portfolio by much. It's only 10%, like you. 10,000 has become 11,000, and you wouldn't sell. You say it's only 11,000, and what's going to happen the next day is that 1,000 profit that you were going to get yesterday is going to go back down, and then probably another one will make 100% move, and you'll still see 11,000 or 11,500 overall portfolio, and you don't sell again, and then that's going to retrace. Then another one is going to pump 100%. So that way, I found it difficult for people to lock in profits because the overall portfolio didn't move much. If I had 5,000 or 10,000 in the market, I would stick to probably 2 at most. Because if I put 5,000 each, one of them makes 100% move, overall portfolio is going to jump by 5,000 and I'll see the difference. So you see where I'm coming from? So if you've decided to diversify, which is always a good thing. The main purpose of diversification is that me or you don't know which coin is going to go first. That's the whole point of diversification. If I knew that this coin is going to move 100% or the other coin, why would I diversify? Why I wouldn't put all my money into that coin? So the reason we all diversify is because we don't know which coin is going to go first. And if it does go first, it's always smart to lock in the profit, because that was the whole intention of diversifying. If one of the coins in your portfolio is mooning and you're not selling, so you're going against the psychology of diversification. If I diversify into 10 coins and put 10,000 in each, if one of them makes 10,000 profit, I'm going to sell it, or at least 60-70%. So if you're going to put less than 10,000, I wouldn't recommend too many coins for diversification. Stick to 1 or 2, maybe 3 at most, where you can see a significant change in your overall portfolio when you look at it on Blockfolio or any other crypto tracking apps. So diversification is very broad, like there are many different categories of cryptos. It's not easy to pick up the winners. What you could do is always look at the history of that coin. Like when all the coins are going to move when there's a bull trend. So only a few coins would probably make 100% or 50% move when the crypto is in bear market. When there's bull trend, all the coins tend to go. When there's bear trend, all the coins tend to go down. What I've done personally is I've consolidated in a few categories. There are many categories. The more you diversify, the harder it becomes to keep track of your portfolio. And if you're a long-term investor, like 5 years or 10 years type investor, then this is not for you. So this is more like a psychology type investor. The categories that I've consolidated in my portfolio is, you see how here I've got here I've got all the USDT pairs of Binance exchange. This one I keep only for day trading. If I see opportunity in any coin, then I get in. The setups that I've found that's worked in the past, I looked for those setups. And Coinbase coins, whenever there is a bull, like full-on bull trend, Coinbase coins tend to perform quicker, sooner, because the coins that are listed on Coinbase, like investors in the US, they can easily buy it. They have the tendency to move faster and quicker. Then I've got like DeFi coins, and then DEX tokens. They're all decentralized exchange tokens, like Binance's BNB. Like today, you see in the DEX tokens, the IDEX token is gained over 100% since yesterday. This is what I mean. Like if you had diversified, if I had diversified, and it made 100% move, then it's a good idea to sell it now, or at least lock in profit 60-70%. And then whatever profit you get out of that coin, put it equally into the other coins that you've diversified. That way you basically, it'll improve your position on the ones that haven't moved yet. And I've got here like gaming cryptos. These are the gaming coins. The sectors that I've got like meme coins, Metaverse coins, social coins. They reward the community. This is social type coins like Steam it. Well, you can tip off people with the Steam coin. I see a lot of potential in the social coins going forward. These are the ones. There are a ton of social coins on CoinMarketCap, but I've only picked a few that I've done my research on. Otherwise, every day there's thousands of coins coming in every week. Metaverse coins. These are all Metaverse coins. They build Metaverse, or at least NFTs, gaming, and all those kind of things. The Metaverse coins. These are the top performer in the Metaverse coins, like the Mana and Sand. Gala is a gaming coin, and all the other Metaverse coins. So the bottom line is, if you looking to diversify, you look at different categories of crypto. I've seen people recommending diversifying where you buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, and XRP. It's not much of a diversification to me. The large caps, they're heavily manipulated by the whales. If I'm looking for an opportunity, I don't look at the top 100 coins, to be honest. I go to 200, 300, 400. Those are the coins where you take most of the risk and you get most of the reward. Like the psychology of the whales, how they manipulate the psychology of retail trader is they put this message in your brain to do safe investment. safe investment, everywhere safe investment, because they have taken the risk of making that asset safe, and they want exit liquidity. So they want you to buy their back because they've made it safe. They took the risk and they're getting most of the reward, and then they want you to buy their backs. That's why this psychology of safe investment. The coins that you see in page 4, 5, or 6, or even 10 of CoinMarketCap, if you find a good project, it wouldn't have much volume, then that's why you're taking the risk. So I've found it, the opportunity I found more like in page 4 or 5 of CoinMarketCap. So where you take most of the risk and there's most of the reward. And if I'm gonna diversify in the large cap coins, they tend to all move in tandem with each other. When Bitcoin moves, these also move. When Bitcoin goes down, they go down. It's not much of a diversification to me. And if I'm gonna put less than 10,000, I would stick to 2 coins. And I would even look at the coins that are in page 4 or 5, not even page 2. Because when the bull market comes, these large cap coins, at most they're going to 2x or 3x my coins. But the coins that I put in page 4 or 5 or 6 or 10, where I take most of the risk, they're going to give most of the rewards. We're looking at least 5, 10x, 15x, 20x gains. So guys, quick summary. For diversification, it's better to look in different categories of cryptos, not just the large caps. Because if there is a Metaverse boom, all the Metaverse coins going to pump. And then there's DeFi boom, the DeFi coins going to pump. So the different phases of markets we see over time. And the smart person is the one who takes the advantage of that bull market, sell it at least 60-70%, and then put it equally into the other coins that you've diversified and they haven't mooned yet. And when they moon, you're gonna exponentially grow your profit. So that's how I treat. That being said, guys, please note that I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. It's my personal opinion only. Always do your research before investing. Go on CoinMarketCap, just explore different categories, look at their team, look at their profile, look at their followers, their following, and make a decision. Okay guys, take care, bye for now.